In this video, I'm going to show you how to mark importance in Outlook. Let's launch the Outlook app. In the menu bar, click on New Email. In Outlook, you are able to mark your emails with a certain type of importance so that your recipient can know the value of the email. So, for example, if you have an email and you need an immediate response within the day, you actually can mark your email as high importance when it gets sent. So it'll appear in their inbox with a little exclamation point, letting them know that it's an important email. You also can send your emails with low importance if it's something that doesn't require immediate attention, but just so they are aware of the matter. In the To section, give your recipient's address. Now give it a subject. Let's add test, for example. Now write your email. I have already written an email, so I will just paste it here. In the menu bar, you can see two options available here. One is for high importance and the other is for low importance. You can define the importance of your email here. In my case, I will select it as high importance. After you are done, click on Send. Now, if I go to my outbox, you can see a little exclamation mark on the corner of the email. That means this email is of high importance and requires attention immediately. Following these steps, you can define the importance of your email easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.